Hi, my name is Dan Hauptman, and I'm one of your instructional coaches in the Palmdale School District. We're going to take a look at how we can use Canva to be a sort of reflector replacement. Now, nothing really replaces reflector because reflector gives you that live look from your iPad camera up to the screen. But there are times when reflector just does not want to work. So here's just a quick way that you can use Canva with your iPad and still be able to display what you want to display. Just keep in mind, it's not going to be in real time. In other words, it's not going to be live. So you can see right now I'm in Canva. And what I want to do is I want to be able to have a exit ticket live right here. Now, I don't have it digitally, I have it on paper. So I want to use Canva in order to put it right there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to add a page right here. And now we're going to take a look at the iPad and see how I can get that exit ticket that I have on paper right here. All right, so as you can see, I am on my iPad. I'm going to go ahead and open Canva. And as Canva loads, here is the Eureka math that we've been working in. So what I'm going to do, let me grab the worksheet that I want to display. So I'm going to pretend that I can't get my reflector to work. So I'm going to come here over on slide 17. That was the slide that I input, that I added in. On the left, I'm going to go over to camera roll. And then I'm going to come over and take a picture with the camera. So now you can see my camera is live. And I'm going to put that exit ticket right in the frame. And I'm going to go ahead and take a snapshot of that. And I'm going to use that photo. And so now, there's the photo. I can make it nice and big. I can crop it so I get my keyboard out of there. And all that other space gone. There we go. And now I can come over, make it even bigger. And what you'll notice, I'm going to go back over to Canva here in a second. On the desktop, you'll be able to see exactly everything we just did on the iPad. Even on the iPad, what I can do, and I'm going to go ahead and just show you, I can actually write on this. So now you see the happy face. So I can actually walk around and do this. And what you'll notice when I move over to the desktop version of this presentation, you'll notice that the happy face will be there. So on that note, let's take a look and see what that looks like. All right, so as you can see, I'm back on the desktop Canva. Here's that happy face that I made with my fingers on the iPad, or if you have a stylus, that works as well. So you can actually be displaying this and walking around the room using your iPad. But either way, I was able to get what I needed up on the board here. So now you can see I've got the exit ticket ready to go. And so I can actually come over here to tools, just like I did on the iPad. And if I am using my Promethean board, I can use the pins on my Promethean board in order to show the answer. So I can actually sit there and I can... So I'm actually drawing with the mouse that I'm using on my computer, but you can use the Promethean pins up on the board and it'll come out the same way. So just a quick way when reflector's not working for you to be able to get what you want to show to your kids in a quick manner. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our department. Have a great day.